have a 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. Just got it from Amazon. Open up this guy. This is a white magnetic wireless charger. Ourselves USB-C cable. Got USB wall charger. And we got the magnetic stand.
Is it ready to put on the stove?
Very nice. Alright, we're gonna plug this guy in. This model M13. This is a little nifty pop out for the Apple Watch. USB-C connector. I'm gonna place my Apple Watch. Charging. Gonna have our iPhone XR with MagSafe ring on the case. So it's magnetized. Beautiful. Charging. We have an iPhone 12 Pro. No MagSafe ring on the case, but it should be still compatible with wireless charging. And it's charging as well. Awesome.